everyone, welcome back to my channel after like I don't know how many months. Who this? I'm in college now. I dyed my hair. I was cute flannel because me and my boyfriend want to take pictures of the pumpkin. Well, he doesn't even want to go, but I want to go. So he's gonna go for me. I don't know why he doesn't want to go. I told him that we could just get pumpkins and carve them, and I would be happy with that. But I just want to take pictures, you know. I want to take pictures. So, do y'all like my eyeshadow? It's cute, huh? It matches the vlogs, and that's why I used it because one, it's from Jeffree's collection. This is the only item I have with Jeffree's Morphe X Jeffree. I freaking love packaging. And this color, I think this is the weed one, yeah. I used this color, Wake and Bake, and then I used 1985, no. I used Lynn as a transition color. What is on my face? If I keep doing this, because I'm out of breath, okay? I don't work out, so, you know. Okay. Anyways, look how cute it looks. And these lashes are very beautiful. I'm going to start selling these lashes, so you know. If y'all want the hookup, you comment down below, and I'll give them. Also, I have a Poshmark, shameless plug, and I am selling these water bottles. These are new. Oh, look at my nails, y'all. I'm engaged. Yeah, right, I wish it was. My nails are so cute. They glow in the dark too, but I'm selling this water bottle. It's new. It's still within the wrap. So then I Poshmark. Okay, now for the unboxing. So, I wasn't very disappointed. And the reason why was because there's a lot of good products in here. The only thing I was disappointed in was not getting blue blood. But that's just luck. You know, it's not Jeffree's fault. It's not his fault. It's just not luck. Okay, so as soon as I opened it, everything was hidden. Everything was hidden, so the first thing that I got, it was in this pink packaging. Iconic Jeffree Starr packaging. This is Jeffree Starr Cosmetics Beauty Killer. This is my second and officially first product from Jeffree Starr Cosmetics, and I honestly had a feeling, just look at that, so stunning. I had a feeling that I was gonna get his OG palette, which is this one. Dude, but like, I love this black. Do you see the glitter in there? It's just, it's so beautiful. I could use these colors for all. I'm gonna expose myself. I'm filming my phone, you know, because I don't have enough money for a freaking camera. And I don't have that many subscribers anyway, so y'all want to help your girl out? Subscribe down below. But no, yeah. I honestly have a lot of videos filmed. I just haven't gotten all the time to edit it. Now, the second thing. Well, these two products, they are in my purse, so let me get them. Okay, so the two products I have are, this is the iconic, look how cute she is. The gloss in Jeffree Starr Cosmetics, the gloss in shade Diamond Juice. I don't know if you see that, but look how iconic she is. She's an iconic queen. We love her. I've been wanting this one. My sister said she's gonna get it for my birthday, but she never did, so I'm glad I got it here. And the second item is the Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Leo. This is perfect for fall, like absolutely perfect. Okay, and then I mean, honestly, the only thing I would say, I wouldn't say disappointed in, I would just say, like, I kind of wish he would have put a shirt as an exclusive for the premium and for the big box, because, oh, this is the beanie. It's hella, oh no, it's hella cute, but I mean, come on, like, I mean, for so many years now, he's done, look how cute that is. For so many years now, he's done the iconic t-shirt in the medium and the big boxes, which I kind of, I was a little disappointed that that wasn't in there, but that's about it. Some people got like a little info card, I don't know what they're called, like the ones that, I don't know, the ones that have like a picture of him, they're girl, I didn't get that. So yeah, but the last thing is this lip liner, and weirdo, it's this black one. It's look how iconic. I've always wanted a freaking one of his lip liners. If I'm not mistaken, someone told me that this was a pencil sharpener too, but I'm not sure. If y'all know, please leave it down in the comments below. But I'm gonna do the lip combo with all the stuff that I got, besides the eyeshadow, obviously. The eyeshadow, I will be doing a look with it very soon. You could also use this as a eyeliner, which in all honesty, I probably will. But for now, just for today, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna use it as a lip liner. Now that is very creamy. Oh my gosh, I look like the ultimate chola right now. I didn't think I was gonna look like chola, but this formula is really creamy. I'm not going to swatch it, I'm sorry, but this is how it looks. The reason why I don't like swatching is because, girl, I'm the type of person that won't swatch anything because, yes, I don't want to waste the product. Oh my gosh, I can't get over how much it looks like chola. Okay, so this is the color Leo. I think people were getting Posh Spice for this lip combo, and Blue Blood for the eyeshadow, and Androgyny, I think. I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken. Girl, I am definitely gonna look like a chola right now. But honey, oh, this formula, who is she? Can we talk about her for a minute? She is cleaning the house, which look has influenced me too much. Oh girl, I am definitely gonna be buying. Oh my gosh, I didn't. See, that's because I've been wanting to buy his lipstick from him for so long. Girl, I look like a chola right now. It's okay. Chola, my Kate Spade. This necklace is super cute. Look at it, guys. It's so cute. I love it so much. I bought it for myself on my first paycheck from work. But anyways, yeah. This is the shake well before you use. That is something I didn't do. I didn't do that, but this is how it looks. Like it. Let me see. Okay. Well, I'm gonna allow it a couple more minutes to dry on so I can give you all like the routine. So this is his Velour liquid lipstick, and girl or boy, who's ever watched this, this is creamy. It is pigmented. I love it so much. Are y'all obsessed with like smelling makeup once you get it? That's how I am. Now I am not going to put the gloss on top only because my nail just came off. Only because I don't want to ruin the look of the vibes. The vibes, you know. But yeah, so this is supposed to last for 12 months. It is cruelty free. It doesn't smell like anything. I heard a lot of people complaining that he was giving out these because some people are saying that they had dust on their eyeshadow palette, and girl, I'm gonna give y'all a tea. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like this palette is old. Like, I feel like he's had this palette laying around and he just put them in here. I mean, I could be wrong, but honestly, like, if I were a freaking as like famous and well known as Jeffree, and he was coming out with mystery boxes and I had some eyeshadow palettes laying around, of course I would put them. But honestly, I would have put more Blue Blood, because I feel like Blue Blood is more of the rare one. You know what I'm saying? But that's just me. I don't know. I really wish I would have gotten Blue Blood, but I'm excited about this. So I'm not sure if I want to keep this or if I'm Poshmark. I think I'm gonna keep it because this is like technically my first Jeffree Starr cosmetic item. And honestly, I do recommend these mystery bundles because you are getting an exclusive item if you get the medium or the bigger one. The small one, The small one this year was three. Yeah, it was three lippy products, which I wasn't mad. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it was a gloss, the lower lip lipstick, and the lip liner. I love the packaging. Anyways, I really do recommend it. Some people, sorry, some people don't like supporting his brand, but you know what? I do. I like supporting him. This is my first mystery box ever, and I totally recommend it because, girl, it's worth the price. Like, honestly, it just is. I ordered it. I think they were live last Friday, and I got it this week. So that's crazy because I literally got it in a week, which is crazy. That's just crazy. I don't know. It's crazy. It's crazy. But yes, I totally. Okay, what's going on with the brightness here? Here we go. So yes, I totally recommend it if you are interested. Yes, this is a ghost. Don't be spooked out. It's an actual ghost. You're not just seeing that. But yeah, and yes, I do have a Christmas sign like right over here. I got a Dollar General for $8, and the thing's huge. Totally recommend that. They were going fast. I was only 3. Anyways, veering off of the tracks here. I do recommend it. My first mystery box ever. I'm so excited. I'm going to save. Hopefully, fingers crossed, he has one for Christmas because I'm gonna buy the big box and I'm gonna buy a medium so I could sell on Poshmark. But I really want the big box because I want to get an Extreme Frost and I want a clothing item of his. Like, girl, come on. Honestly, I really hope. Do I have to look like anything? No. I really hope this Christmas he puts the tracksuits again. Because, girl, that would be so awesome for Christmas. I would love that. But yeah, that is my verdict. Okay, let's see the. Okay, now that I let it dry. Oh, well, I was pushing it hard, but let me. Okay, this one's how it looked before. How it looks after. If you don't really touch it, then it won't come off. But you know what? Fine. I'll put. No, I'll put the gloss on top. I love the way this gloss smells like. But honestly, okay. My thoughts is I totally recommend it. Let me show y'all the eye look closer. These lashes are so iconic. This is the lip look. My shirt. Wait. I look so emo right now. I totally recommend. Am I going to be buying from him? Yes. Why? I know a lot of people do not want to support him because they don't really. Some people think he's a pedophile. Girl, people are talking shit about Shane. If we were to listen to everyone's past, then we really wouldn't be supporting anyone because everyone has a past. Me, you, everyone has a past. Doesn't matter who you are. I really don't care who you are, honestly. Everyone has a past. I just removed this. It's detachable. That way you could just go like this and put it on like so. But yeah, girl, because I mean, come on now, like, everyone has a past. It's like, it is what it is. But yes, I will buy his mystery box if he comes out with some for Christmas. Now, I was going to buy the Thanksgiving ones that he did last time, the ones with the stickers that no one liked. Thank God it didn't go through because I didn't get that one, and I'm so thankful that I didn't get it because, girl, I would have been really mad if I got those stickers. Like, come on now. Like, I get what he's trying to do, but if you're gonna do that, don't make that option. Put like 3 items plus the stickers. You know what I mean? Like, come on now. People are on Poshmark are selling stickers. Like, everyone wants to get rid of them. But yes, what else? Those are just my thoughts. How have you all been during this quarantine? Are y'all going to school? Are y'all going back to work? How are y'all transitioning? Like, is everything good in your state? I live in Texas, and right now, it got approved for the grade schools to go back online transitioning. I'm just like, bro, I honestly don't think anyone should go back to school, even college students, even work. Like, you should be working from home if you have the chance and the option to. Because, like, I work like once or twice a week. But I know I'm putting myself out there, but I work at a place that like we're sanitizing like crazy. I work at Bath and Body Works, by the way, but I work at that place that you're honestly really sanitizing every single second. And when you work cashier, you sanitize after every customer. And I like it because I can go in and if I feel like trying a new scent, you could literally like spray yourself. Every time I go in, I spray myself like 20,000 times. And before I leave, I always put the glitter mist on there. It's phenomenal. I love it. A new scent that I want to get because my friend did buy me into the night. I want to get in the stars. Oh my gosh, that one smells so delicious. Just love it. It's like an upgrade from that one. But yeah. But honestly, I don't know why Jeffree Star hasn't made lashes. Like, that is the only thing his cosmetic line needs. Lashes. Hunty. Lashes. Jeffree. Lashes. Like, come on now, you know? Honestly, excuse me. I feel like he has considered lashes, but I don't know what the reason is why he hasn't gone through with it, you know? Like, sorry, I'm feeling myself. He really should, because, I mean, he's a good brand. I like his stuff. His stuff's pretty affordable. Also, another thing that I think he should do is every launch that he launches a new product, he should put it in all the mystery boxes. How cool would that be if you were to get like his new lipsticks? Because I'll be real with you, I think they retail for like $25, $29. I'm not too sure, but girl, I'm not gonna spend $29 on a red lipstick. I like the red and pink ones. Girl, I'm gonna go to the drugstore and I'm gonna get one that's cheaper. Cause honey, I have money to pay for the mystery boxes like once a year, twice max. I am not paying $29, almost $30 for freaking lipstick. Like, come on now. I bought this lipstick from Sephora that I have yet to even use. It is 36 made in Italy. It is these little, I don't know what they call them. They're like, look, I have yet to use it. Like, that is such a pretty color. It's so pretty for fall. It smells good, but yeah. Like, I have yet to use this one. I was wearing red lipstick. I'm an avid red lipstick wearer. But, you know, it's just like, girl, either make it cheaper or you should really add it in your mystery boxes because that would be awesome. And you should be making some lashes, make some scrunchies, girl, make some jewelry. Jeffree, get on it, okay? So thank you all for watching my video so much. I hope you all are going through a really good time. And if you are suffering, please leave your name down below and I will keep you in my prayers. And I really hope everyone has a good weekend because this is Friday and I'm overloading it today. Excuse me while I get this itch. But yeah, and if you need anyone to talk to, just comment down below and I will try to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Yeah. Thank y'all so much and have a good time. But thank y'all for watching.